first day we met. There is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Guess the verdict's in, I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my...
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. So today's video is going to be about me reviewing the Doux. So the Doux is a company that came out not too long ago, and I'm going to be reviewing their Most Def Texture Foam High Definition Control Mousse. I have been wanting to try this mousse for like the longest, but the Target near my house didn't sell the Doux. And granted, I know I could have bought the product on Amazon, but I have this type of thrill that I get when I actually find a product in a store. So yeah, the other day I went to Harmon and I found the Doux and I was really excited. So real quickly, the back of the bottle says, pronounce the Doux French for soft, smooth, or sweet. Developed by a professional hairstylist for smart chicks who want real results without the hype. What it do? Defines, shines, and conditions in one step. It fights frizz. It's wash and go. It's for wash and goes, twist outs, rod sets, pixies, and blowouts. So what's good? Silk proteins, humidity blocking polymers, fight frizz. Do you? Curly Doux. Apply a liberal amount to wet hair. Style as desired. For straight Doux, apply 1 to 2 pumps to wet hair before blow drying. So I'm going to be using this for a wash and go. But before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, we're just gonna hop into the video. Did you guys see what I said? Without any further ado, you get it? No? So right now my hair is in a plastic bag, so I'm gonna take the plastic bag off. Ooh. And the reason why I put my hair in a plastic bag is because I wet my hair before I hopped out of the shower, because I wanted to make sure that my hair was nice and moisturized. Now, when I was watching the video, she had said that you don't need to use a leave-in with this product. So I'm not going to be using leave-in today. I'm just going to be using this and only this in my hair. So what I'm going to do now is section my first section off and clip my hair back up. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like up close. So this is my hair. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking a little bit of my water in this cute spray bottle, and I'm going to spray my hair like so. Then I'm going to finger detangle my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the Doux. I'm going to use 2 pumps, 3 pumps, and this is what it looks like. It smells good. I don't know what the smell is per se, but it smells really good. So I'm just gonna rake this into my hair like so. Just trying to make sure that every kink gets nice and defined. Feels really good in my hair, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with 2 more pumps, because I'm gonna do 5 pumps in total, just because I want to make sure that my hair is nice and defined as well as nice and moisturized. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like with the Doux. And I'm just gonna leave it to do its thing, because in the video that I watched, she said that you need to leave your hair alone after you're done with it. So I'm just gonna leave it so it can dry. I'm gonna go in with my next section, and real quickly you guys can see this is my hair right here without any product versus with the Doux. So the Doux is very nice and defining. So I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle again. Make sure that my hair is nice and wet. I'm gonna finger detangle. Even though I detangled in the shower, I want to make sure that my hair is nice and detangled, because when you do your wash and goes, you want your hair to be detangled. That way the products can glide onto your strands, and so you could reduce any type of single strand knots and whatnot at the end of the day. So 5 pumps like the last section. I'm gonna go take it Ooh, this feels really nice, guys. Gonna smooth it onto my hair. Oh guys, this feels really, really good. Like, it's literally melting onto my hair right now, which I like. So yeah, let me see. Gonna just smooth it onto my hair and let it do its thing. Do you guys see what I said? Let it do its thing. Do you guys know? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna continue my whole entire head. I'm gonna put on some dope music so you guys can vibe, and yeah. Okay, so I am about to be on my last section. So this is my last section right here, and as you guys can see, my hair is looking mad bomb, like juicy or not. Let me, you know, like okay. Oh, ew, I got some in my ear, but you know, like it looks nice and juicy, nice and defined. I can't wait for it to dry. So what I'm gonna do is finish this last section, and then once I'm done with this last section, I will show you what my whole entire head looks like wet, and then later on tonight I'll come back on camera to show you guys what my hair looks like fully dry. So what it do? Let's get back into it. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like complete. As you guys can see, you know, definition, movement. I used a lot of product, or at least I think I did, but there's fairly a good amount in here. I could probably get 2 or 3, maybe 2 more uses out of this. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like wet, and I will come back on here when my hair is nice and dry so I can show you guys my finished results. But right now I am loving my hair. Hopefully it does not flake on me. Hopefully it does not feel sticky or anything like that. So yeah, I'll be back so you guys can see what this foam wash and go looks like. Side note real quick, if you guys know me, I love doing foam wash and goes over gel wash and goes because I feel like I get a nice amount of definition as well as a nice amount of hold, but not that crunchy hold, more like a soft hold, which I really love on my hair. So yeah, I'll be back when my hair is entirely dry so you guys can see the finished results and we can either ooh and ah or boo. Okay, so this is my hair at the end of the night, guys. As you can see, it is nice and voluminous, nice and full, and it is very defined. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up real quick so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. So this is what my kinks are looking like, guys. Do you guys see how juicy that is? Like, your girl is shooketh. Like, what? Wow. Wow. Look at that definition. Wow. So the only thing that I did to my hair was I diffused it once it was about 80% dry. So I air dried my hair for the most part, and then I just diffused it because I had work and I wanted to make sure that my hair was nice and dry before I went outside because it's very cold outside. And yeah, my final thoughts on the Doux is that, well, the Doux Mousse Def is that I really like this mousse, especially for a one product wash and go. It left my hair nice and defined and voluminous. I will say though that there is a slight crunch to my hair right now, but I'm pretty sure tomorrow when I wake up it's either going to be gone or I can take a little bit of oil and kind of scrunch it out myself, but that's nothing that's, you know, too big of a deal or anything like that. So all in all, I really like the Doux, and I feel like you guys should try it out if you have type 4 hair because it feels amazing on the hair and it makes my hair pop severely, okay? Like, my hair is popping. With that being said, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos so you can see my face more and more and more. Until next time, guys, peace and love always. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.